Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices, phone with Snapchat and your desktop with Snap Camera. Connect your phone to the computer via USB or set up a reliable screen mirror app, then allow camera access. Once done, open Snap Camera on the desktop and choose the lens you want. Make sure the preview shows your filtered face. You do this now so Google Meet will use Snap Camera as the video source. This prevents switching mid-meeting and keeps your filter applied. Now you route the phone's filtered video into Google Meet. Open a Meet and go to Settings, then Video. Pick Snap Camera as the camera source so the lens output appears to others. If your phone is mirrored via USB or an app, make sure the mirror app outputs to Snap Camera or that Snap Camera recognizes that virtual camera. Also check your microphone. Use the phone microphone or switch to your headset. Make sure audio input isn't set to the same virtual stream. Finish by confirming the video feed and starting the meeting. You should see the Snapchat lens applied to your face for all participants. If things go wrong, first restart Snap Camera and replug the phone, then toggle the camera source in Meet. Once done, make sure no other app is hogging the camera and reduce mirror app resolution if bandwidth is limited. If audio echoes, mute one microphone. If the filter lags, close unused apps to free CPU and network resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.